good morning. I just wanted to show you some more examples of interactive tasks and visual memory triggers because some people like to see examples from different subject areas. So today I'm talking about these ones are from a religion, so you can see a totally different specialty subject of how you can do a variety of interactive tasks in your Doodle notes. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you my newest book here. Okay, so these are for Sunday Gospels, and I just wanted to show you a few examples of all the different ways to use different interactive tasks. So here we have on this one, I'm going to show the student side and the teacher side. So you can see here the students make a timeline and they have a checkbox of what they have to include, and they have to color code, match the colors. So like the bright green you'll see down here, and then the teal is this range of time, and then they have to color this little part yellow because that's, so this shows you one example of a different interactive task. Here they have to write it in, they have to color, they have to explain what it actually means in hand lettering. And then the next one is pretty basic graphic organizer style. They have to explain the symbols, and then they have to write notes that differentiate each different one. So hopefully this gets you inspired for whatever ideas you need for your own pages and your subject and how you can do some of these. This one has the visual memory trigger of an airplane for arrival. So they have to write the Greek word for arrival inside the airplane shape. So then they kind of remember, that's how they can remember that word. It's like a new vocabulary word, but that way they also remember the plane's arrival, and that helps connect it in their mind with the visual memory trigger. And, they have to do some writing, a simple sketch. Always remind them when they're sketching, just, stick figures or basic, very simple drawings will do. And then they have sketches over here where they sketch an icon. Icons are a really nice way because students feel less overwhelmed by the idea of drawing an icon. So here they have to come up with different icons representing things, but that way they can feel like they just need a very simple drawing and they don't have to have some kind of fancy sketch. Another way you can do icons is have them combine two ideas by making a new icon like a logo. And that way they're developing a visual memory trigger where they use two totally different ideas and blend them into one icon. So kids usually do pretty well with that type of a task. This one, they do have to do two sketches, and they have to come up with three ideas and write them in hand lettering here. Within the bricks, they have to write adjectives that represent, it's nouns. I think it's nouns and adjectives. What did I have them right? A word that describes the woman. So they had to come up with all different words that describe the woman. So it could be a blend of nouns and adjectives, I guess, but that just depends how the student wants to do it. And then words that represent things inside of here. So then they're getting the imagery again. So hopefully this just gives you a whole bunch of different examples of interactive tasks and just how you can get a wide variety into your Doodle Note pages. Have a great day.